Hello, in this video we will learn all the HTML types. Which types? Attributes types, not attributes type. Types bar input types. So we write here input types. Open with live server. It is opening. Wait a little bit. Now the first one is text. Right here input, the type is text, name. Why the text is used? The text is used for entering the name, email or short message. For that we will use text. Let's do this one right here. It is single line. So the second one is password. Password is used for password. If you enter a password, like if you creating a Gmail, and Gmail you enter a password. So if you define type password, so it will take only password like this. It is hidden, it not see another person. And here we can also use br tag, so it will break code like this. We will use double. Okay, third one is email. Copy this, paste here, double click, control D and write email. The email is take email like this, helal@gmail.com. Let do it. If you hit enter it, this will do like this. Okay, fourth one is type URL. You enter here URL, so it is better to grab all the code and form tag like this, format the document. Okay. If you hit this one right here, it's not working. Enter the method post again, and also take a button input. There is one another input, it has a button submit. If you write submit, it create a button. Okay, see, please encode all the email address like this @gmail.com, and you write here, so please enter the URL. So copy this URL and paste it here, then it's working. Now the fifth one is number. What number is used? If you want to get only the number like 1 2 3, so for this we will use number like 2, and not getting any text, just number. Submit, it working. The fifth next one is a date. If you want to pick the date like this, for that we will use date attribute. If you want to pick the time, for that we will use time attribute. It will pick only the time. This one pick only the date. If you want to get date and time, for that we will use date. For that we will use date time hyphen local. Control S. C. It will you can get date time same time. The next one is month. If you want to get only month, for that you will use month attribute. This one, no, June, August. If you want to get only the week, for that we will use week. It will pick only the week like this, and this. If this one is used part when you get data weekly wise from the database, so for that we will use this data. The next one is color. Control S. So this will use the color picker. If you make a application, and for that we will set the dynamic color, so it will use the color attribute. Next one is checkbox. The checkbox is used for checking. If you give some hobbies, and the people select hobbies, check this one and this one and this one. The next one is radio. The radio button is used for radio. It's used for if you ask from the user, you are male, you are female, or another one. So for that we will use radio. Next one is pile. Why the pile is used? If you want to pick some images or some piles, so for that we will use pile types of. Here also you can use accept types, so it will accept only images. Let's star, so it will pick only the images, not the PDF included. Like this one, it has only images. See this. The next one is a range. Why the range is used? Let's see this. This is the range. So it is used. We can use it for volume. If you make a MP3 application, and here you adjust the volume, so per volume are used, or per price range are used, something what you want, it is used for that. The next one is search. Here you type something, so it will dedicated as search. This is only input, so we can't remove this, and this is search, so if you want to remove this. Next one is tail. Why the tail is used? So right enter the number, and if you click on submit, but not submit. This one is use per tel. What does the tel mean? This is used per telephone. Like enter the number of telephone and hit enter, so it will give to call to that particular person. Next one is hidden. Why the hidden? The hidden field is hidden, not showing, because it is hidden. So why the hidden is used? If you want to hide some ID or some sensitive information from the user, so for that we will use hidden types. Next one is submit. We do submit. And the next one is reset. Why the reset is used? So you fill all the form like this one, this one, this one, and you click on this reset button, so all the form is reset. Next one is button. It work like submit, but write the name this one. It is the submit button. Okay, it is the button type. You enter the value as a button. So see, this is the button, simple button. And the next one is image. How the images work? This one, see, this one is image in. If you render some image, so it will show here. So these are the 22 inputs fields per. These are 22 inputs types of HTML. Thank you.